Hello friends, welcome back. The second part of the same problem. It is given that in the next month the company proposes to change the sales mix from this type of clumsy figures to this type of modern figures. A 25% against 33 and 1/3, B 40% against 41 and 2/3, C 30% against 16 and 2/3, and D 5% against 8 and 1/3%. Then what should be the revised break-even point? Again the same thing. Since we have the percentage of sales values, we should calculate the overall or weighted PV ratio. And for that purpose, we need PV ratio of the product, and that is again 100 minus percentage of operating cost, because operating cost is percentage of sales value, that means it is variable. Minus 60, 40%, 68 means 32%, 80 means 20%, and 40 means 60%. Now, the result will be overall or the weighted PV ratio. Many a times it is also called overall PV ratio. 25% of 40% is 10%. 40% and 32% will be 12.8. 30 and 26%, 5 and 60 means 3%. So overall or weighted PV ratio comes to 1.8%. Since the overall PV ratio has decreased, the BEP is going to increase. Let us calculate overall BEP. That is break-even sales value, total fixed cost upon weighted PV ratio. Fixed cost, there is no change. It is going to continue at rupees 1,47,000, but the overall PV ratio has decreased to 31.8%. So the revised BEP, overall BEP comes to 4,62,264. Interesting amount is there. From both the sides, the figures remain in same order. 4,62,264 against 4,20,000 in the current month. Calculation of share of each product in overall revised BEP, I leave it to you. You please calculate. Multiply this amount by this percentage now this time. That will give you the share of each product in the revised overall BEP. But the main thing is, explain the shift in the BEP to a new position. The break-even point has gone up, has taken upward trend from 4,20,000 to 4,62,264. Is it good or bad? It is not good, because the profit making situation has farthened. It has gone beyond 4,20,000. So we are now going to reach the profit making stage at a later time. But what is the reason? Compare the shift in, there is upward shift in the overall BEP, because first reason is the denominator has decreased. Compare these two fractions. That means there is upward shift in the overall BEP because there is decrease in weighted PV ratio, that is overall profitability of the company. Now the question is, what is the reason behind the decrease in the overall profitability of the company? See, this is the result of summation of these four. These four, compare them. Only in case of C there is increase. Otherwise there is decrease in all the three cases. That is actually the arithmetic observation. But what is the reason behind decrease in overall profitability? C. D has the highest PV ratio, but its sales has decreased. Its share in the overall sales has decreased. On the other hand, C has the lowest PV ratio and its sales has increased. Whoever in the company is going to make this proposal, or or has made this proposal has not considered this fact. The product with the lowest profitability is taking more share in the overall sales. That means the sales of the product with the lowest profitability has increased, and the sales of all other three products having greater profitability, the sales has decreased. And because of that, the overall profitability of the company has decreased, and because of that, there is upward shift in the overall BEP. So we can say that there is upward shift in the overall BEP. There is upward shift in the overall BEP because there is decrease in the overall profitability or downfall in the overall profitability of the company. The downfall in the overall profitability of the company is because the sales of the least profitable product has increased, and on the other hand, the sales of all the three remaining more profitable products, the sales have decreased. That's it. Thank you very much.